One of these cracks is harmless, the other, a warning sign you should ignore. Can you spot the difference? Cracks can be tricky and most of them are signs of bigger problems with your foundation, but not all of them spell trouble. Some are just surface level or cosmetic, while others actually have to do with foundation settlement and structural issues. This might mean bigger issues down the line for you. Cosmetic cracks can appear when concrete dries or loses moisture. Changes in temperature and humidity can cause materials like drywall to expand and contract, which can lead to cracks over time. These little cracks usually show up in ceilings or non-load bearing walls. Cracks can also happen because of foundation settlement or structural damage. Now, houses settle, it's natural. The problem is that the majority of homes settle unevenly. Here's where it gets tricky. The symptoms for the beginning stages of foundation settlement can look very similar to cosmetic cracks, so it's important to get an inspection to check what's what. If the crack isn't caught at an early stage, it can become an even bigger concern. Structural cracks mean your home's stability could be at risk, often due to hydrostatic pressure, shoddy construction, or soil movement. These are the ones that catch your eye. The wider, even the horizontal, vertical, or stair-step patterns. You'll spot these in load-bearing areas like corners of the doors and windows or along the foundation walls. But how can you tell the difference between a harmless crack and a serious one? That's where the pros come in. Foundation experts have the tools and know-how to figure it out. They'll look at the crack's location, shape, and any movement and use specialized equipment like rotary lasers to get the full picture. Don't ignore those cracks, especially in the foundation. Small ones can get worse and lead to expensive repairs. Catching them early on can save you a lot of trouble and keep your home safe and sound. So if you spot any suspicious cracks, give Groundworks a call. We'll send an expert to check it out for free. Stay safe, keep your home in tip-top shape. What do you think? Let us know in the comments or give us a call today.